Generally during the summer we go back to our houseboat for a couple of months, and this way we get an opportunity to enjoy Lake Lanier in Georgia. We go see our doctors and get all the annual checkups done, and it gives Dave an opportunity to do some maintenance on the RV, the truck, the cars, the houseboat. Gives me an opportunity to kind of do a cleaning out of the cabinets and stuff in the RV and do a good cleaning. It also gives me an opportunity to try to figure out where we're going to be going for the next 10 months, because it does take quite a bit of time to figure out where we want to go. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and our to-do list will grow, and other things pop up like storms that are unbelievable. Overall, we still enjoy going back to the houseboat and meeting up with our neighbors and enjoying the lake there. So I'll give you a little tour of the houseboat, and let me show you the maintenance list that Dave had to work with. So here was Dave's list for the RV. We had to add a few things. Things he needed to do to the boat, we added a few on there too. Some things didn't get done. And also to the truck, and I need to add ignition to that because that's something he's working on as well. And we have an old 15-year-old Suburban that we use when we're back home as well, and a few little extra things. So that was his list, but you can see he did a pretty good job getting things crossed out on it. This will be a two-part video because there's a lot to share with you guys on our staycation. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. So this is our dock at Aqualand. Got a nice view. Behind us we've got a whole bunch of series of docks. It's 4th of July weekend, so we've had a lot of traffic. We're a little bit rocky today. And let's get through the gate here. Got one new boat in here this week. Used to be a waiting list, but actually there's two slips that are open right now. And some of us have our pontoons out front. That's our pontoon right there, Georgie girl. You know I name everything. And here's our boat. Painted it last summer. Just washed it yesterday. So this is the front porch, and we'll take a little tour inside. We are in the slow process of remodeling, so you may see some areas look like they're incomplete, but we have a little kitchen area here. Actually, it's quite large. Ice maker, bar area over here. In our living room. And TV. And then in the kitchen we got a little beverage refrigerator, dishwasher, cabinets that Dave had redone for like a cottage style, full fridge, microwave, full stove and oven, little pantry area over here. That is a second bedroom turned into junk room, so we won't go there. Coming down the hall, we have some steps that go down to a cuddy, and there's a little bed down there. And then we have our washer and dryer in the hall. And then we have a half bath. And then we got the big bedroom. built that dresser, a couple of closets, and Dave's taking a nap. And we have a king size bed. Both have nightstands. And this is a bathroom that Dave redid. And he put the new vanity that he built in here with the granite. And the new shower. Flooring. And a linen closet. And then you have the outside back porch. And then we got a couple ladders back there so we can go swimming. Some chairs and rafts, a grill, and Blackstone. Of course, there's air conditioning. If you saw that other video, you know that that's the storm went through. They're now trying to pick up the pieces over here. And then this is our outdoor space. And we got a helm up here so we can drive from up here. Kind of like an outdoor living room and dining area. This is what we like to do on a hot summer day. After swimming behind the boat, just come up here and watch the lake go by and the storms come in. Every afternoon it seems like it got a storm, but usually it seems to miss us. And have a couple of drinks.
Ran out of beers.
Uh-huh.
Had to go to the whiskey and root beer.
I got my mule going on. We're on the houseboat July 4th with our friends Ron and Jackie making pina coladas. About ready to go for a boat ride on the pontoon. So here we go. Take a little ride out on the boat. Out here with the tubers, jet skiers, pontooners, and everybody else. This is just one marina of many. There are a ton of houseboats on this lake. We going through Browns Bridge.
99.3 WCOS.
Isn't that pretty?
Absolutely beautiful. Here we are at home. Karen's sitting on the front of the houseboat up top, enjoying the view.
Yep. Beautiful day.
Beautiful day. Down the dock, all our neighbors. Plus we have neighbors this way. All down there, and there's our view.
We have a sunset here pretty soon.
Yeah, we're going to have another beautiful sunset. And this is just a small portion of the lake. Very small. One little bay.
So our houseboat's 30 years old, and so is the washer and dryer center that was in here, and so bought a new one since it was croaking on us. So there's our new laundry center, and paid for installation, but guess who's doing it? Mr. Dave.
Yeah, gotta get a new vent.
Oh boy.
So
Now back to Home Depot.
back to Home Depot.
Dave's working on the faucet in the houseboat.
Yeah, Dave is.
And then there's always something goes wrong with an engine. Got to work on that too. Not on the list, but it gets added. We painted it last year, which was a pain. And come home and it's got all these streaks and stuff on it, so now we got to wash it. Dave has to clean up the carpeting too because it gets moldy with all the rain. We hadn't even taken the boat to a beach yet, but we took it to the marina to get the black tank pumped out On the way back home, we hit something and severely damaged one of our outdrives. Always something. What you doing now, Dave?
Tying up an outdrive.
So we had to call a towboat and have them take our boat over to a launch area to have a big trailer pull it out to have the outdrive looked at, figure out what we have to do to fix it. That little boat's doing that. That's crazy. Because he's done this before. Lakeside Marine Transport's here. This is how they do it. I think that'd be tricky without having that boat, without having the boat motors on. Just doing it with a tug. Then you have to contend with the weather. Every day they say there could be thunderstorms, which is pretty typical in the south. As the days are so hot, you get late afternoon thunderstorms. But you can't always predict how they're going to be. We are tightening it up. Their boat gets it right on the end there big time. They're already dented up in the back end as it is. I see that.
It's gonna crash right here. It's gonna crash up here.
What are you gonna do? It's gotta go now if we keep it going. Keep going out there. Keep going out. Oh my God, this is 4-footers. If this dock doesn't break, I'm gonna be surprised. We're not done yet. We still got rain coming and everything else. Yeah, that looks a little wicked over there.
Yeah, you better hurry if you're leaving now. You've got minutes.
The wall is coming! The wall is coming!
The wall is coming. I just hope the dock stays together. Coming at us. Pretty soon you won't be able to see that island. Okay, it's coming. forward to watch it. Well, that docking looked good. Oh, man. Here it comes. Oh, boy. Oh, my God. It's getting worse. Oh, can't see very well.
Switch direction.
Yeah. It's pushing the boat out.
Yeah. I'm okay with that.
Yeah. Those whips are getting their workout.
Yeah.
Then there are dozens of great times to have on the lake. Out for a sunset cruise on Wes's houseboat.
Oh, I know. No, that's the only way we used to go on my boat. That was a fun boat.
We are out for an evening cruise. A little sunset cruise. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.